Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So who would have thought Friday would have been a move like it was? And that was basically a 3.5% move to the upside. The big question right now is, do we have a nice double bottom structure? And this is the area that you'd want retested. That is 34.81. We are pointing up with the oscillators separated far apart at the moment, so it's not really done yet. I'd be looking for any kind of retest, and I think that is the most logical one at the moment. I'm going to keep this one in as well. We'll get to those levels shortly. Now, Friday was a fairly interesting day. You can see we had this massive move up and broke through some structure. We did find some support here on the 155 EMA here for on the 3 hours, so that's always an indication that we have now confirmed the trend reversal. For myself, I'm a little bit more bullish than I was on Friday, to be honest. There is the current trend line that has been formed, and what we'd be looking for is pullback onto structure to go with the direction. So if you look at what happened on Friday, you can see gently just sort of meandering to the downside. With no real structure that we bounced off. If you look at that, the closest bit of structure would have been there or there. These two tails here, and there was nothing really there. So bounced, nice pinball of nothing, and then we rallied fairly sharply. So for me right now, we are looking at a pullback to 38.60. Just bear in mind that you have a few levels in here, and I can just basically do that. So you're looking for a pullback into this area here, which is 38.60, 37.65, and 36.88. So that's the kind of structure that we're looking for. Pull back into that area, then we're looking for an opportunity to buy into this. The 15 minutes here is giving us a little bit of a different picture, and I'm just going to use this level from the downside here, and probably indicating a move to one of these tails here before buying. It looks like a bit of a flag forming. I'd expect some kind of a pullback, so 31.036, or should we say 3100. So if 3100 holds and you've got some price action at 3100, that could validate the flag for another leg to the upside as well. Fairly decent, strong move to the upside that we had on Friday. So I'm just looking to see if there's anything else that I'm missing here, but that's kind of the view. That is the one area I would prefer a much deeper pullback, to be honest. But the trick here is to watch the 15 minutes. If it does pull back and start rejecting the 15-minute structure, then by all means there's an opportunity there. Entry will be above the price action, and the price action we're looking for is pin bars, inside bars, or engulfing bars. If we see that, we're looking for an entry on the break of that structure and a stop just below the low of it. And that should get us a fairly decent move back to the upside. Let's just see what kind of target we should be looking for. Some solid potential resistance in this area, as you can see on the charts. To be honest, I think if we break through that, the next logical area for us to find some kind of support is going to be up there at 31.375. So plan of action is either 3100. If 3100 goes, then you're looking at 38.60 all the way down to 36.88. But I think 3100 is probably going to be the one you're looking for. You're looking for some structure here. You're looking for probably 120 point stop loss or so, and you're looking for 280 point gain to 31.368. Anyway, that's kind of, 31.375 is what you'd be looking for. That's kind of the setups for me today on the Dow Jones. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.